So maybe I need to give it another try since it started to work all of a sudden. Of course, now that I have it on camera, I did try it like a few times, I swear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie, if you don't know me. Today's video we are doing part 2 of the Empties video since I have a lot of stuff to go through. On my last video I said I was going to make 2 parts to this just because I have a lot of stuff to go through. I think with part 2 we should be done with everything. So let's go ahead and get started here. I think most of the stuff in here is stuff that I threw away because it was either old or dry or expired. Some of the stuff is actually empties, like a couple of things here and there. Alright, so the first thing that I will talk about is the Joico Defy Damage Protective Mask. This I bought a long time ago when I first started to try to get my hair back to normal so it wouldn't be so dry. My scalp was super flaky and I didn't know what the heck was going on with it. So I bought this in hopes that it would help. It did help with my hair but not necessarily my scalp. So that is why I bought this, but it did help with my hair. Like I said, if I needed help with my ends and my actual hair, I would definitely repurchase this, but it's mostly my scalp that I have issues with. Other than that, I would definitely repurchase. I felt like it did what it needed to do. With gosh, I have like 3 mascaras in here to talk about. Okay, next up I'm gonna talk about the Tarte Gifted Mascara from the Amazonian Clay Gifted Mascara, and I love this mascara so much. The mascaras that I've gone through I feel like I really like. I talked about a couple of mascaras in my other video, and this is another one that I really loved. This one was actually a giveaway. I want to say that I won from Jackie Naturals, a giveaway or my birthday, I don't remember, but anyways, it was gifted to me, from Jackie Naturals, and I love this mascara so much. It was so good. I definitely want to repurchase. This is another mascara repurchase that I want to definitely go out and get. Yeah, I loved it. Gave me volume and length, and it curled them up. It looked really nice. So definitely another mascara that I would repurchase and would recommend to you. Next up we have the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. I've talked about this one before here on my channel. Another favorite of mine, would definitely repurchase. Obviously I've purchased many of these. I've talked about many of these before in the past. You guys know I love this one, so that is definitely a repurchase and I would definitely recommend it to you as well. Next up we have this one from Elizabeth Mott. I did not like this mascara. This is one of the mascaras that I did not like. I didn't feel like it did anything to my lashes. It didn't curl them up or anything. Didn't give me any length. Didn't give me any volume. Not my favorite. I definitely will not repurchase this. I think there's still a little bit in there, but I will definitely not repurchasing this one. Oh wait, I have one more mascara. This is the NARS mascara. To be honest, I don't remember if I like this mascara or not. This is the Climax Mascara, and this one came in, I think it came with the gift that I got last year for my birthday. I honestly don't remember if I like this or not. I think I combined it with another one when I was using this, but now I can't remember. To be honest with you guys, I don't know if I like this or not. I probably will have to purchase a big one, or if they have a sample somewhere or something, I could probably try to see if I like it or not. But to be honest with you guys, keeping it real here, 100, I don't remember if I like this mascara or not. But it's finished, it's empty, so it's going to the trash. Next up here I have the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. If you guys remember, I don't know, I want to say maybe a month or a month and a half ago, I did do the review on the Peach and Lily Discovery Kit for glass skin, something like that. I can't remember what it's called, but it came with this. This is one of the products that came with it. This is a serum, and I did like this serum. It wasn't too moisturizing, but it wasn't like not moisturizing enough. I feel like it's good enough for like if you don't really have that much problem skin. Definitely is a good one, like more for like youthful skin, I would say. A lot of, you know, younger like 20s and stuff like that don't really have issues with their skin. I mean, I'm not saying there's nobody in the world, but I'm just saying like youthful skin or like non-problematic skin definitely would recommend this one. It's not thick or anything like that. It feels good on the face. It definitely gives you a little bit of a glow. Not anything too crazy. You're not gonna be oily or anything like that. So that is the Peach and Lily. And would I repurchase it? I don't think, not for my needs at least, but it's not a bad product, so I would definitely recommend it to you if you're willing to try it, but I'm not gonna repurchase it. So there's that. Next up we have the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. I finished it finally. I've had this for a very long time. I actually got this when Rihanna came out with her brand. I love this lip gloss. It's so good. I know it doesn't seem like I love it because I've had it for so long, but I have a lot of other lip glosses that I use as well. But anyways, I do love this one. I do have a few more of her other colors, kind of. Are they different? Yeah, they're different colors. You could say they're different colors, but they're still like a glossy, you know, lip type of thing. I would definitely recommend this one. This is definitely a good one. A lot of people love this one. The color I think would really work for everyone. I think it's more of a universal shade. At least this shade is. But yeah, I like this one and definitely would repurchase. Like I said, I have a lot of glosses in my collection. A lot of glosses. So I probably wouldn't necessarily go out and purchase it right now, but I do like it and I would definitely repurchase it if I ever, you know, felt like I needed a gloss. So there's that. Next up we have these. These are from ColourPop. I have Super Shock Shadows and Super Shock Cheeks. These are eyeshadows that come in these little pot things, and then this is a blush. And the reason why I'm tossing them away is because they are dried out, and I think it's because I've had them for so long. They don't even have like any pigment really on them anymore. I mean, there's a little bit, but I really had to like go in there and try to get some pigment out of there. But yes, that is the reason why I'm tossing them out. I did like them when they were fresh, but I feel like a lot of the ColourPop stuff, even like the jelly ones that they have come out with, those dry out pretty fast. They're not my favorite. You guys can see like I tried to get pigment out of this one, but it's completely dried out. I've had it for like, these ones I probably had them for a year and a half or so. But yes, like I'm really trying to get the color to come out and it's not doing anything. They're really dry and you can barely see the color. So that is the reason why I'm throwing them away, and I'm pretty sure they're expired probably too. The Super Shock Shadows are actually really pretty when they're fresh. Leave them for a while, they dry out. So that's the reason why I'm throwing them out. Same thing with the blush. I'll show you guys real quick. It's even all cracked and stuff, even though it was a pretty like orangey shade, but it's like all cracked from how dry it is. I probably will not repurchase these. I have so many blushes and eyeshadows in my collection that I honestly don't even need them anyway. So these are gone. No more. Another thing I wanted to talk about was the ColourPop gel liners. Now, these are okay. Their gel liners are okay, depending on which color that you're using. Not all the colors have the same formula. Some are more drying than others, and they definitely break really easily because they're so dry. And sometimes my waterline is so watery that the color won't even go on. So depends on the colors. They're kind of hit and miss. I would not be repurchasing these ones. I definitely want to give the different liners a try. So if you know of any good liners out there, color liners, I don't want like just black and brown and that's it. I want like colorful like this, like a green or orange or red or I don't know, different colors, yellow. But I would definitely wouldn't recommend that you buy the whole set. Try a couple here and there. Like I said, the formula is very hit and miss. They are not all the same formula. Next up we have this from M Cosmetics, and this one I bought from a Boxycharm drop, but the dropper doesn't work. Like, it doesn't matter how much I try to put product in there. Oh, of course, now that I'm showing it on camera, it works. I don't know. But, okay, well, maybe I will give it a second chance. Because the color is pretty. Oh, I think I put too much. Of course, now it works. It wasn't working, I swear. It wasn't working, but now, look at that. I mean, I put too much on there because I did like 2 drops, but it's a blush. It's the M Cosmetics blush. So maybe I need to give it another try since it started to work all of a sudden. Of course, now that I have it on camera, I did try it like a few times, I swear. And of course, now that I'm filming it, it wants to work. Alright, I guess I'm going to take that one out of the trash and try to use it because I don't want to like throw it away if it's good. So you guys saw that was a really pretty color, like an orangey type of color. So I'll definitely, okay, so I'm taking it back. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my collection again and see if I can use it. I really like cream products for my face because I have such dry skin that I feel like it works out really nicely. It gives you that nice pretty like glow. It doesn't like make you super matte. I don't like that matte look on me. I mean, sometimes it depends really, but I can do bad as long as it's not too matte where it's like sucking up my skin, where it feels like I have something on my face. I hate that feeling. This one is just because it's expired. It's from Bombshell and it's a liquid lipstick. It's from Be a Bombshell Cosmetics and it's just this pinky shade. I have used it plenty of times, but I think now, yeah, it's starting to smell weird, so it's time to toss it. So that's why I'm tossing it, but I did like this pretty pink shade. I don't even know if they make this anymore. I've had this for a while now, but I'm definitely throwing it out for that reason. So last item here is from Serum kind, and it is the Black Blossom Hand Serum. I love this stuff so much. I got this from a Boxycharm too, and I really loved it. It looks like this, and obviously it's all gone because I like squeezed the crap out of it so that everything would come out. I really do like this one, and I definitely want to repurchase. If you have dry hands, definitely pick it up. It's not super like creamy, but it is very, very moisturizing, which I love. It feels more like a gel based product than a cream product, but yes, I would definitely recommend it. I love hand lotions. I love something that's gonna moisturize my hands since my skin, like I said, is really, really dry. So I really, really love this. That is all I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's anything from the items that I talked about that you're gonna try, that you've already tried. Did you like them? What did you think of the product? Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next one. Toodles!